Hey everyone, my name is Michael, and today I'm going to be doing a comparison review between this space heater here on the left and this space heater on the right. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the space heater has its controls located on the very top of the display. There is also a really nice carrying handle that can kind of fold back and forth. And this also does indeed come with a remote control, but I am going to show you how you can use this via the manual controls. So here are all of the buttons that you will be using. This is kind of the temperature and the eco setting button. This is the M for mode, M-O-D-E. This is the power button, timer, and oscillation. So let's turn this on now by hitting the power button in the middle. And it will automatically default to the high setting. So if we wanted to change from high to low, for example, and we wanted maybe just less heat, we can change it by hitting the M button. And now we are in a low mode setting for the heat. All right, so now that you know that there is a high and a low setting for the heat, let me show you how you can actually set the temperature to a very specific number that you want. So what you do is you come and you hit the power on button. And now what you would do is you would come back to this button on the left, tap it once, and now you can start setting the temperature to whatever you would like. So let's say, for example, I wanted to set it to 85. What's going to happen now is that the heater is going to internalize that setting. The heater is working to heat up the room to 85 degrees. And once it actually succeeds in doing that, it will actually turn itself off. And what will then happen is that once the temperature in the room decreases 2 degrees below 85, it'll turn back on automatically. It's also worth noting that this heater does oscillate back and forth, and to do that, you just hit this button on the right, and now the heater is slowly pivoting left to right. So I think this is a really great feature, of course, because if you have multiple people in the room and you want everybody to be able to feel nice and warm and cozy, the oscillation button does a really great job at that. Now this heater also does have a timer as well. So to do that, you would hit this button right here. And now you can set it to turn off in 1 hour intervals. So if you wanted it to turn off after 6 hours, just let it blink repeatedly. Now it has set the timer inside of the heater, and 6 hours from now, the heater will automatically turn off. So to power on the space heater, you actually just hit the power button right here. Let's turn it up a bit. So we'll hit the temp up button. Let's turn it to about 85. So now you'll begin to actually hear the heater kind of kicking in. It is revving up and it is working hard to give us heat. In fact, if you look through the grates here, you can see it beginning to turn an amber glow. And so it is heating up inside, and you can kind of see it in real time, which is actually kind of a nice perk. I do like the fact that it does come with wheels that are built into the heater. So for example, I could turn it left and right very easily. You can bring it forwards, you can bring it backwards, and it works very well both on carpet and hardwood floors. So as you can see, both of these space heaters are pretty interesting. They both do a really good job of heating up the room. They just do it in different ways. So if I had to make a choice between one over the other, my choice would certainly be the space heater on the left. If you're interested in purchasing any of these products, I will leave a link in the description for you to be able to do so. It is an affiliate link, so I will receive a commission for any purchase that you make, but it will be at no additional cost to you.